up stuff, but unfortunately just nothing, I swear to you, nothing's been turning up there at any of the locations.
Yeah, we have one.
Yeah, just all the ones I previously were getting stuff from, just they're dry.
They generally
I know. See? Yeah. How much were they? Where were they in the store?
that was in Chantilly.
Oh, okay, because there's been one Palisade at Gurney Store, Gurney, Illinois, and it's been there for so long, they wanted $300 for it.
Shoot!
The other thing about Chantilly.
Wow.
Normal $15. I'm glad they sold that one for $30.
The Palisade? Dude, that is a good deal. That is
And they had two of them.
that's a great deal. Because, yeah, this Gurney one, they wanted $300 for it.
Well, I mean, that's
Worth that.
gonna pay.
No, I'm saying, yeah, there's 3 stores have been dry lately in my area. I mean, just nothing's been turning up. Maybe a thing or two here, but
Have you heard of the Gurney Restore? There's not fans there.
well, they're starting over. So, and I was saying about the Gurney Restore, they had a Palisade that's been sitting for so long.
I saw that on a few videos.
Yeah, and it's like they want $300 for it.
Sheesh!
That's why it's been there for so long. They want $300 for that thing.
But it's still,
Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune fan we call this one because it was actually a prize from the early 80s of Wheel of Fortune. Yes, it was actually a take-home prize. So we call that the Wheel of Fortune thing. We don't know what it actually is, but it's